To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. To start using ChatGPT, you will first need to add it as a contact. Simply tap the green plus icon in the lower right corner to get started. Then select New Contact. Enter ChatGPT as the first name. And then enter the phone number 1-800-242-8478. Then tap the Save button. Once saved, you can either tap the message icon to start a conversation with ChatGPT immediately, or you can search for the ChatGPT contact later to begin a conversation. You should see a verified WhatsApp badge next to the ChatGPT name, confirming that you are chatting with the official ChatGPT account. Start by sending a simple hello. ChatGPT will respond with an automated message, confirming that you are now connected, and reminding you that by continuing, you agree to the terms of service. From there, you can ask ChatGPT for information, recommendations, assistance, and much more. It will offer instant, reliable assistance for information, recommendations, problem solving, and creative ideas anytime, anywhere. And that's how you can start chatting with ChatGPT on WhatsApp.